let's go to Marshall's and redo my coffee station.
Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who.
Everyone's dietary needs?
Alright, so this is how my coffee station is currently looking, and it's boring. So, this is going to stay, but we are going to switch up the table, and I'm hoping everything's going to fit up here. But we're going to take everything down, wipe everything off, and we are going to put up some new stuff. So, while I watch Sumitra. And I'm also going to take down my Valentine's Day decor today.
So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby, ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it. Our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that. I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to tell us how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. Oh, you don't even know the math. Yeah. Who said it's gonna even last? Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait. You know I won't do that. Oh,
I'm sorry I say that.
yeah. Swear fame ain't changed shit but my mind. See the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Here's your blood. And what we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
What's that?
What is love? And what we see ain't what it seems for.
Alright, so let me show you a couple things that I got before I show you the finished look. I got this. I thought this was cute. Hold on. This was $12.99. My budget was $150. I spent $130, so I did good. And I actually might take a couple things back because I think I got duplicates. So I'll be even more under budget. I'm trying to take the tag off. I hate when they put these stupid tags on here. Like, put it at the bottom.
Even when I'm sitting there alone all by myself, it's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit. We miss a lot of nights, warming up with you. make a bet too low, this how I feel. Out of my way, you out of pocket, vision, boy, can't trust decision. Near me, put myself caught in your crossfire. You are one, and I'm waiting, and you like it's cool, water like it's cool. When you pull up with a new, and it's not all that I know. It was inside me, back tonight. Please don't deny me. It's different when I'm sitting here alone, I'm by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. This shit.
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? No parking in LA, so I'ma send an Uber to your place. It's my secret safe, safe with just you and me. We can't leave a trace. This is my favorite mistake. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows stronger. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song. Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me? I'm getting impatient. Oh, look at what you do to me. Our secret safe, so you're my favorite mistake. That's why we gotta keep it on the low. Got a hunger she don't need to know. What's going on, it won't be on for long. Oh, look in my eyes. Can you find the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. Do you mind the lies? Do you feel alive? Look in my eyes. We both know it's wrong, but you're still coming over. Even when you're gone, the feeling just grows strong. She'll leave it alone, but you're still getting closer. We both know it's wrong, can't keep this for long. All that's going on, put it in a song.
cool. Thinking about them nights I would've really been with you tonight. I wanna have some goodbye tonight. I wanna get in the sun tonight. I just wanna make up a lost time. I like to taste it when
Syrup. And we don't do that now. I'm looking around and I'm like, ugh, I need more stuff. Like, not more stuff, but like I want to change around more stuff. But again, like I said, piece by piece. But now that I did this, I'm just so excited about this, and I'm excited to get everything else changed. I'm about to take down these hearts. Like I said, Valentine's Day is done. I feel like Valentine's Day was more of a Galentine's Day, if you ask me. The hearts gotta go. And let me clean out the inside of my Keurig. Like, this area always gets the most spillage, so let me wipe that out. Went to Target today because they, in the dollar spot, they were supposed to have a bunch of coffee accessories for your coffee station, and they only had like one thing that I wanted, so that sucked. So I ended up improvising, because one of the things that I wanted was like the syrup bottles, and I ended up just using these oil and vinegar bottles, and they have the same type of spout. Only thing is my label maker is running out of ink, so I temporarily put these up here until I get some more ink for my label maker, and then I'll relabel them. But I needed to know what was what in the meantime. And a lot of the stuff I got was on clearance, you guys. So always check out the clearance at Marshall's and TJ Maxx and stuff, because you can find some really good, cute things. And right now they're getting ready for like all their spring stuff, so a lot of stuff is going on clearance. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's just marked down to bring in new inventory.
Girl, I get the money, we feel me to mine. If you love me,